morning, ma'am. I am Dominica Di Maano Monterrey, 19 years old from Baybayin, Rosario, Batangas. I am applying for the data encoder position that was advertised in your institution and that you are looking for in the office of the Lipa City Public College Board of Trustees. I am still studying as a second-year student at Lipa City Public College with a 2-year course of Ladderized Education Program for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, that's the accredited. I have an office work experience because I had my on-the-job training as a personal computer operator in the municipality of Rosario from November 12, 2007 to February 15, 2008. My job there is to encode the daily transactions and issue the certification of birth, marriage, and death using the MS Excel. I also transcribe registered marriages and retrieve files needed for photocopy using MS Word. And now I have my on-the-job training in Star.net Computer Zone in J.M. Carlos Street, Lipa City as a data encoder and personal computer operator. I started last September 4, 2008. My job there is to troubleshoot computer, hardware-related, software-related, and operating system-related. I also reformat the computers that need to be reformat. I can install Windows, Microsoft Office, AVG, free antivirus, and some applications need to be installed in the computer. I also doing typing jobs, downloading, and researching the assignments or projects of our customers. I am a responsible, fast learner, and a hardworking person. I can entertain the customers very well, so you don't have to worry if you hire me because I will do my very best to serve you better. Thank you.